Make sure you guys come to a complete stop in between the white dots. Gotta come to a complete stop, not a rolling stop.
White lines.
The white lines, yep, you gotta stop between the white lines and no rolling, you gotta stop. You got it on video, so let's see it. Okay. Alright, the shawl is gonna be on number 1.
He's gone.
Alright, well then Matt, Dennis, Todd, Don, Chris, Tim, Kenny, and bringing up the rear, Alex. Your TQ. You have corn marshmallows? Everybody's ready to go?
Right there.
He's a spectator. He's a spectator, Tom. Alright, let's see if we can get a clean race. Less than 5. And they're off. A little tap on the start, not too bad. Oh, we got caught upside down. Everybody trying to get to the chicane there.
Buddy Chuck.
Clean it up, there we go. Everybody spread out. And off they go. Oh,
What a nice
Matt
marshal.
out front. Followed by Dennis. Then Tim. Don and Kenny going at it there. 8-minute race, long way to go. Try not to overdrive. Tim's flow was way better than it did the last round. Got Matt, Tim, Dennis, Ken, Alex, Chris, Todd, Don. Everybody knows the lead lap. Follow the leader all the way through. Matt makes it wide and it's gonna get there and they're gonna get together and they're gonna let 1, 2, 3 trucks go by. And put Dennis up front, followed by Kenny. Then Alex, all the way from the rear, making his way through all that traffic. Being patient, pays off, takes the lead, passes 2 trucks and 2 lanes. Off he goes. Good driver. Move over to second. 1.6 seconds behind Alex. Let's see it.
Tuck!
1.6 was the last time by. Let's see where it's at now. 1.6 is that dead heat. Matt at the 3rd. That's line there. Let's see if he can hold it off. Dennis gets 5. Chris gets 5. Got Alex, Tim, Dennis, Todd, Chris, Matt, Don, and King.
Time.
Little Payne hits the board here. Let's Matt go by. Bringing it down the straightaway.
Greg. Time.
2 minutes and 45 seconds. Pit road is open. Here we go, coming for a pit. 3 minutes down. Taking over the lead. Coming Alex. All by Dennis, 3rd. Still waiting for the leaders to take a pit stop. Nobody in their pots and in their shoes. Todd, are you coming out? Chris is gone. Matt stopped. Love making around the straightaway. That's going to put Alex in the lead. Alex still got to get his pit stop in. So I got Alex, Tim, Dennis, Todd, Matt, Ken, full stop.
It was. Right on the end of it.
I have to go on the replay on
It was
it.
a perfect stop. It was the best stop ever. There's never going to be a better stop. I'm not nervous. There's
Coming up
another
with 3
stop.
minutes to go. Tim's coming in for a pit stop.
That was close. That was close. Everybody's in.
Alex, Tim, Dennis, Todd, Kim, Chris, John, and Matt. Looks like quite a bit of time here. 2:45 to go. Still a lot of time yet. Clear. Alex is in a little bit of traffic there. Can't let him go by. I think the gap here is just about 2.2 and 2.6 seconds last lap. He's 4 tenths in that one lap.
I got you. Yeah, I see it.
Tim's got to get around Kenny here. See if he can get by and get the lead. Tim will look to go by. Oh, he hits the dot. Boo. 2 minutes left to go. 2 minutes left to go. Dennis and Todd are almost at it. 0.6 seconds between Todd and Dennis. Todd puts it on easy. Oh, and then Dennis back around. Todd goes a little wide there. This is the third coming onto the straightaway right here. Who's got the power down the straightaway? Oh, it's pretty dead heat. Oh. 20 seconds left to go. Is everybody
Tuck.
Everybody pay it, Tony?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, shit.
So that's Alex in the lead.
I don't have the
6
brake.
second lead looks like. Dennis is in third. Todd still in second. 0.2 seconds behind those two. Todd and Dennis. Those guys are going at it for third. 42 seconds left to go. Time to make your move. Alex is coming up behind the third and fourth place right here. Those guys are duking it out. Right in front of you. 20 seconds left to go. There's the top. Still going at it. He's not making mistakes here towards the end here. One team's pretty much locked up. Hopefully they don't break the car, but Dennis is, right on the mud flap. Todd right there. Todd with a shortcut.
I should have taken it.
You should.
That's it. Kenny, everybody is done. And winner that was Alex. Followed by Tim, Dennis, Todd, Kenny, Chris Tyler, Don, and Matt.